YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Guys, before we dive into all this stuff, I just gotta let you know too, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just the homie Crypto J. I just do my best to give you guys my opinion. That's it, guys. But also, guys, we are on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers. Yeah. Okay, but let's talk about some Toshi. I know that's what you guys came for. You guys came to talk about Toshi. But as always, guys, at the beginning of the video, we always have to talk about the total market cap. As you guys can see, total market cap coming in at $3.14 trillion. And the reason why we talk about this, guys, is because of this right here, Bitcoin dominance, right? Bitcoin has 60% dominance over the market. And so we need to pay attention to Bitcoin. We need to talk about Bitcoin at the beginning of every video. If you're brand new to cryptocurrency and didn't know this, now you know. Okay, Bitcoin is a big determiner of our market and where it's going right now. So that's just the way it is, and that's just the way it goes. So as you guys could see too, our fear greed index coming in at a 35. We talked about the fact that every time we drop into this zone, it's actually not the best time to be selling your entire portfolio for a loss. It's actually been a decent time to be accumulating coins that you like if you're bullish on cryptocurrency. Imagine that. And and as you guys could see, some of these coins, they do go on, they rally, they get into this extreme greed state. Maybe at a time you might want to consider taking some of that profit that when you got in down here, you know. Some people don't like to do that either. I'll tell you something, guys. You know what's crazy? I think the hardest thing in cryptocurrency, honestly, the hardest thing is selling your coins. It's the hardest thing to do because we're either too impatient or we're too greedy, right? We're being too greedy. We're sitting in that trade and we wait till a bad exit point and then we're like, okay, I'm just going to get out of this. And instead of thinking like, maybe I should double down here, or maybe, just maybe I should have had an exit strategy to begin with, right? Isn't that something that would be a good idea, especially if you're looking at dollar cost average and stuff? Some stuff I'm just looking to pick up. But look, we got the Bitcoin dominance right here, actually. I didn't even realize that. I'm always looking for the fear greed index. But yeah, Bitcoin dominance, fear greed index, super important if you guys are looking at this stuff. As you guys could see too, Ethereum and the rest of the market too, starting to see some volatility. Solana back over 200. That's positive to see. It's actually looking like it might be rounding out. That's nice. Ethereum, on the other hand, still not good volume. I could already tell. I don't even need to see and open the chart. I've been telling you guys, man, I'm concerned about Ethereum, man. I don't see the volume that it needs. Anyway, let's talk about some Toshi, guys. I know you guys are here for Toshi. As you can see, we are seeing some volatility on Bitcoin too, 96, right? But we're still in the 96 range. This is actually big because we already dropped down to 95. So the fact that we're at 96, this is a big decision support right here. We really need to start breaking up out of this 96. Like I told you guys in yesterday's video, I told you, see, we dropped down 95 and we gotta start breaking up here, right? We talk about that bull flag. This is that flagpole right here. We need to start seeing some positive price action. What we don't want to see is that other pattern that we talk about on the channel a lot, is that head and shoulders pattern. If we see Bitcoin start printing that, guys, it's going to leave some blood in the markets for altcoins. So just be ready for that. Just understand that. Understand also that just where we're at with cryptocurrency right now. Okay, this is the whole all-time chart. We're really needing a wedge to play here, but again, we do know that these guys are trying to liquidate a lot of these longs too. You got to understand that, guys. They want to liquidate the longs. That's what the whales try to do to all the leverage traders. They try to liquidate them, boys. So just understand that. But again, yeah, now let's talk about Toshi. As you guys could see, Toshi Coin had been trending all day. Of course, I press play and now it's not. But guys, this thing has been between number 5 and number 9 top trending coins. We pumped all the way up to like 330 yesterday, and then we saw a correction with Bitcoin. We dipped down a little bit more, but we're back at this 300 range. We're building some solid support in this 300 range, as a matter of fact, and that is awesome to me, because if I didn't get an opportunity to buy here, then maybe now I might be wanting to pay attention to Toshi again. Toshi look like it wants to ride this Keltner channel on the 2 hour. Still looking like possible zone of accumulation. When I see charts that look like what Bitcoin is doing right now and what Toshi is doing right now, I'm thinking, okay, this could possibly be a bottom. This is not a crazy entry point. A crazy entry point would have been at the top where a lot of people got in at. A lot of people got in on the top. And as you guys could see, buying at the tops of projects is not usually a good idea because at the top is the top. So again, that's why you don't want to buy things that are in what I call price discovery mode. After it's already at an all-time high, it's not the time to be looking for these types of coins. Again, look, Toshi jumping up back to number 8. Come on, Toshi, let's go. Now's not the time to be looking for coins that's at the top. The time to be shopping, guys, is when things are on discount. You go everywhere else and you shop when things are on discount. And then when it comes to cryptocurrency, people think like, oh, it's going to zero. Like, just find something that you believe in and stick with it. How about that? Like, what the heck? Like, imagine you invest in something for the future. Like, a lot of people are going to lose in cryptocurrency, guys, because they're going to sell out of projects, to be honest with you. Because people that sell for a loss, you already lost. Like, when I invest money in a cryptocurrency, I already lost it. I already consider it that way because I'm not going to sell my coins. And if anything, if I get paid, this is why I talk about dollar cost average, right? Let's say I get paid, I got 100% of my paycheck. I'll take like 20-30% of my paycheck and I will invest it. The rest I will live off of. You know what I mean? Like, that is how you dollar cost average. That's how you don't over invest into things and over leverage and stuff like that. It helps. You're not like this emotional trader when you're just buying things on discount and you're just using like a modest amount of money in the market, especially with these meme coins, guys. You can make a significant amount of money. I'm not saying in Toshi, like, not telling you to go buy Toshi because I can't tell you to do that. But I'm just saying, like, you don't need a lot of money in cryptocurrency to make a lot of money. If you're just dollar cost averaging into stuff and you're just long on it, like, find projects that you're actually long on that you feel like have good longevity. Toshi is one of those coins for me. Toshi Coin is growing in popularity. As you guys can see over here on CoinMarketCap, coming in at number 167. So Toshi Coin now in the top 200. I think that this coin is really going to make a run as far as growth in its market cap. So you can see CoinMarketCap actually has a delay. You can see it's at 294 here, but Dex Screener has a more accurate price. It's at 303 and it's trending right now. So again, holding the 300 million range. Can we continue to hold this, guys? What do you guys think? Is this like kind of the zone of accumulation? Are we going to start seeing this thing rally again? Again, Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of volatility because it just hit 97 and then it dropped back down to 96. But 96 was a really key, it'll be a key support if we can hold. Again, we want to see this bull flag play out on Bitcoin. If we can see that, Toshi Coin might start to see another run. You can see it's already gaining in popularity. This might be another zone of accumulation, like I said, or maybe it needs to break down more. Maybe Bitcoin will do more similar to what it did here, right? Let's look on this Bitcoin chart. This is what I've been telling you guys, right? Bitcoin coming in at 1.9 trillion market cap. We'll see if maybe Bitcoin wants to do something more similar, because you could see we created this bull flag here and it was a flagpole with the flag, and then we created another flagpole with the flag, right? But look how much consolidation we needed to have from that top in order to hit a new one. Are we going to need to see something similar? Again, Bitcoin did run up from 66,000, 65,000 all the way up to 100K during that inaugural period when Trump was elected. So just got to take that into consideration too, that astronomical growth. Where do we see that happen? We seen it happen in March too. February to March, it was crazy. Bitcoin was up like 50-60%, and I was telling people, dude, this has got to be the top. This has had to be a clear blow off top here. But I knew it wasn't going to be the top to our market cycle because we still had this cup and handle playing out. We had this giant cup and handle playing out, but I just felt like we were going to start seeing some rejection. And so once we started selling out right here, I started stable coining up, and then I got back into the market. This time, I don't know. I mean, maybe again, it could be something like this where we just drop down and then we just cut up really big. Again, there's a lot of bullish activity going on in the back, behind the scenes when it comes to Bitcoin. Things like being talked about, like a Bitcoin reserve for the United States. You got Argentina opening up Coinbase in their country. You got a lot of big countries now getting more involved in cryptocurrency, even countries like the UAE talking about how they're going to be like the crypto capital and stuff like that. And they're investing all this money. They just got a partnership with Shiba Inu, as a matter of fact. So there's a lot of money, I feel like, that is about to come into cryptocurrency. And whenever that happens, I feel like we do see a little bit of a dip, but it creates an opportunity again for these guys who really want it to be able to get it for sale. I feel like that's what it is. Like that's what it is. That's what I feel like. But again, markets are speculative. Anything could happen. Bitcoin total market cap's only at a $3.1 trillion or the total market cap's only at a 3.1 trillion market cap right now. So that's super volatile, guys. Like literally one country can come in and buy up some Bitcoin and that thing could shoot again very fast, very hard, So we're seeing more and more countries get on board with Bitcoin, and that's something that we never had in the past. This is what I'm telling you guys. We never had this in the past. So all the people that are thinking that Bitcoin is just trash now and is no utility, there's a lot of people thinking this, man, that Bitcoin's just topped out, and they think this all the time. They always think this. I don't even understand how Bitcoin can hit 100,000 and people are still not more people are holding it, or not more people are thinking that this is something that they need to acquire. I'm so bullish on Bitcoin, bro. It's crazy. It's crazy. But I'm also bullish on Toshi, guys. I'm super bullish on Toshi. As you guys can see, a lot of the market they're trading in the top 10. These guys have been trading top 10 on Dex Tools over here. And whenever I see this, guys, I'm taking notes. I'm paying attention to these coins that week in and week out are seeing good volume and trending. That's what I look for. I look for volume on these dips, and that's what I told you guys. That's what I've been saying on my channel for years, actually. I look for good volume on Bitcoin dips on projects because those tend to be the ones that can have a good run. I look for projects that have good volume. Again, even on the RSI down here, RSI is telling us like how much the volume is, how it's moving, how the charts are moving, right? All these charts, guys, it's just human psychology, right? It's people buying and selling based off of indicators. And so you just try to find a good entry point based off of the indicators that are being used. And that's how trading is. You could see, this is why I use the Keltner channel. Just for all you guys that are just brand new to trading. Again, this is why I use Keltner channels. They make it very easy for you, and they make it easy for demonstrational purposes. I traded with a lot of different indicators, but again, the two that I like to use, again, it's called the Keltner channel and the RSI. You could find them under here, under indicators. You could just type in Keltner channel, and you could type in RSI. You want to do the relative strength index. You could do the stochastic RSI also. It's just, it's giving you similar information. It's just telling you by volume. And basically the way it works is when this stuff is down here, it's considered in the oversold zone. And then when it gets above this line, it's considered overbought. This is a indicator also that I use when I do swing trades and stuff like that with binary options and stuff like that. But again, that's another subject. Anyway, guys, I'm really bullish on Toshi. I think it can go into the billions. I'm still going to be acquiring it. We do have some support, it seems like, at 300 million. I want to know what you guys think, though. Do you guys think that we're going to break down with Bitcoin causing the rest of the market to break down? Do you guys think that Toshi Coin is just done in general? You think it's just never going to rally again? And I'm just totally crazy for making these videos. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know how much you're holding too. I think this channel, guys, honestly, we have the most whales that are holding Toshi Coin. And it's crazy when I hear how much Toshi Coin that you guys have in the comment section. As one guy, actually, he posted that he had 58 million Toshi Coin. And I was like, dang, man, that's a lot of Toshi Coin. I was like, how much did you pay for that? He was like, dude, I paid like, I think he said he paid like $120 for it because he was watching my channel. So again, we catch projects really early around here, guys, and we've been talking about Toshi Coin for months. We've had videos from months and months ago, guys, me talking about Toshi Coin far before it was listed on Coinbase. If you guys are looking for those type of coins that before they get listed type of coins, you should tap into my Patreon. It's a great resource. I give you guys tools and tips and tricks on how you guys can find these types of coins. I've done it so many times, guys, where I've talked about a coin and then the coins got listed. I've done it probably more than any other channel. It's amazing, guys. It's amazing. We talked about Turbo before it got listed. We talked about Nero before it got listed. We talked about Toshi before it got listed. We talked about many coins, guys. And I feel like, too, there's going to be a lot more. I'll tell you one coin I feel like is going to get listed is Fart Coin. I feel like they're waiting for the bull market to launch that bad boy, because that is going to be crazy. That's going to cause so much of retail to just, they're going to think it's funny. They're going to think people are going to want to buy it. They're going to think it's cheap. And that's another project that I'm really bullish on. But anyway, guys, I mean, the markets are speculative. Anything could happen. It's not financial advice. These are just my opinions. You know, I have been doing this for a really long time, though. I have like 1,400 videos on YouTube, and I've been doing this for now on YouTube now over 6 years, guys. It's been an amazing journey. By the way, I appreciate all you guys, all the support. We are on a journey to hit 100,000 subscribers, guys. So if you're not yet subscribed and you made it this far, do a brother a favor and hit that subscribe button. I want to kick it with you guys again. Also, I am on a mission too, guys, so I can go to Colombia. I'm trying to move my life. For those of you guys who don't know, I'm trying to leave. I'm trying to leave out of California. Not because I hate it here, not because I don't like the president or nothing like that. It's just because the mamacitas are calling me, guys. The mamacitas are calling me, and I need to go down there. I need to go. So no, I want to travel, man. I really want to. I want to travel. That's really been my goal with the channel too, is to one day, you know, be traveling the world and talking about whatever it is I'm talking about. And I'm going to be talking about crypto, guys. I'm always going to be Crypto J. So I'm going to just be Crypto J in Colombia or whatever country I'm in at the time. But I do want to start doing some traveling. I'm in my 30s now, and I just feel like I'm pretty well cultured. Like, I've been to Dubai. I was in Dubai and meeting all kinds of people out there. Amazing place, by the way. I want to go to some more places in the Middle East pretty soon, but I just feel like South America right now, it's interesting. I feel like there's some dangers behind it too, like Colombia, Medellin area, especially can be very dangerous. And so I just feel like it'll be entertaining. Like, who knows what'll happen, right? I mean, anything could happen, bro. But at the same time, it's like there's beautiful women. It's like Grand Theft Auto crypto edition. You know what I'm saying? That's what we're going for here. No, I'm just kidding. But we're just trying to have fun on the channel, guys. This stuff, you know, I try to make it fun, like a Toshi jumping up to number 7. I try to make this stuff fun, guys, because it can be confusing for you guys who are just getting started. And I understand that, because I understand how it is to get started in something and to just want to understand it. I try to break things down. I try to make it easy. I try to use indicators that make it easy for you guys also. So again, if you guys like that kind of stuff, but you want to take it to the next level, join the Patreon. I'll leave the link in the comment section below. Again, let me know your predictions on Toshi Coin, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.